So now we see that one experiment. So what I am telling that the property of the bases, the fourth point, their aqueous solutions conduct the electricity. So that experiments only. Now you see that first you are take to one beaker and take the hydrochloric solutions, then take to one cork and then two nail also. The fixed two nails on a cork. That cork is fixed in the beaker. Okay. So next one nail connect to the battery. The battery another side connect to the bulb. The bulb connect to that key and another end connected to the another nail. Okay. Okay. Now you see that the key is switch on. The key is on. The current is passed through to the hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acids conduct to the electricity. So immediately the bulb is glowing on. The bulb is glowing. Immediately the bulb is glowing. So the electric current is carried through the solution by ions. The electricity carried through the solution solution by the ions. But you see that you are taking another one solution we are taking, the alternative solution. For what solution we are taking? Hydrochloric acid we are taking. This solution alternate we are taking to the glucose and alcohol, means this solution do not conduct the electricity. So here what happened? It's not a glowing of bulb. Okay va? So என்னன்னா இந்த ஹைட்ரோக்ளோரிக் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ்க்கு ஆசிட்ஸ்க்கு பதிலாக நீங்கள் வந்து குளுக்கோஸ் ஆல்கஹால் நீங்கள் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணாது? இட் இஸ் நாட் கண்டக்ட் த எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. ஸோ த பல்ப் இஸ் நாட் க்ளோயிங். ஓகேவா? ஸோ நவ் வி ஆர் நவ் வாட் தே ஆர் அக்கர்ஸ் சொல்யூஷன் கண்டக்ட் த எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. வி ஹவ் டு ப்ரூவ் திஸ் experiment. So next, uses of base. Sodium hydroxide. The sodium hydroxide used in the manufacture of the soap. The sodium hydroxide is a base. So it is used in the manufacture of the soap. Right. So next one, calcium hydroxide. The calcium hydroxide is used in whitewashing of building. Whitewash. We are building whitewash, no? That time we are using to the calcium hydroxide. So third point, magnesium hydroxide. The magnesium hydroxide is used in the medicine for stomach disorder. Medicine. The magnesium hydroxide is used as a medicine for stomach disorder. So next fourth point is ammonium hydroxide is used to the remove grease stain from the cloth. Green stain from the cloth. Okay. So next the uses are very important, coming to the 2 marks. So next, test for acids and base. Test for acid and base. So you know well that the litmus paper, we are taking to the litmus paper blue and red, right? Two types of the litmus paper, two color, and blue litmus and red litmus. First you take the acid, and acid turns blue litmus paper into the red. So acid la nee dip பண்ணும்போது blue litmus தால acid la dip பண்ணா what happened? The blue litmus paper turn to the red. Blue litmus change to the red மாறும். Okay வா? The base la, the base it's a alternate change. The red litmus paper into the blue, turn to the blue. Okay, next test with on the indicator phenolphthalein. Okay, indicator of the phenolphthalein. So the acid medium phenolphthalein is a colorless. Acid medium phenolphthalein is a colorless. Base medium the phenolphthalein is pink in color. Phenolphthalein is pink in color. Okay, so next test with on the indicator of methyl orange. In acid medium, methyl orange is a pink. Acid medium, methyl orange is pink in color. Okay, the base medium, methyl orange is a yellow in color. Okay, thank you.